is the beginning of meditation.
Hey guys and gals, it's your girl Shareen Nicole, and I'm back with another video of a little bit of everything. So you guys already know I really like fashion and stuff like that. I do a lot of clothing hauls, but you know, my channel is a little bit of everything. So in this video, I'm actually doing a manicure. So what happened is my friend went to the salon and got his nails done, no polish, also got his toes done too. No nail polish, and got charged like a ridiculous amount. It was like $55. And I seen his nails and I was like, so when are you going to get your nails done? And he's like, well, I did get them done. And I was like, oh no, let me do them. So this is what I'm doing right now. I am just revamping his nails. The shape was all messed up and stuff, so I'm just reshaping them. I'm using this kit. It's I think it's called Deja Vu. I'll show you in the video the little block that I use to buff his nails, and you can get a natural shine with this block. So there's 3 sides to it, and when it comes up I'll tell you guys more about it. But I just thought that that was insane, that that's what was going on there. Like, it's so weird. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. So right here, I'm just filing and reshaping the nails. We're just having a conversation. Guys, comment down below. Let me know that you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified of all the upcoming videos to come. I appreciate it. Thank you. So yep, just reshaping the nails, and then later on down the line I'm gonna buff the nails with the buffer that I'm talking about, and I'll tell you the steps that are on the actual buffer. It's pretty cool. I think it was like, I want to say that kit was around $60. If I find the link to their company, I will include that in the description box down below. Yeah, it's called Deja Vu. And the buffing block has 3 steps, and it's really cool because it writes it on there for you, so you don't have to really know what you're doing. if you don't know what you're doing. I did go to cosmetology school, like I mentioned before, so I kind of already know what I'm doing, but not like, there's the block, there it is. Alright, so it's a little blurry, but I'll read it to you. So it just says Deja Vu on it. It's a buffing block, and step 1 is saying use blue. And that's the coarse side. And then step 2, you'll use the gray, which is the soft side. And then step 3, you're gonna use the white side. And that's it. And that's how you get those nails super shiny. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm doing step 1, which is the blue side. There's 2 blue sides, so when you run out on one side, you got the other. And it came with a lotion as well. I kind of used the lotion up because it smelled really good. And then it also came with a little the nail file that you guys saw in the beginning. So not bad. It comes with a cuticle oil too. I used that towards the end of the video. So right now I am just buffing the nails with the one side. I tried to speed up the video for you guys, but I don't know. I could only get it to go to 2 speeds, so apologize already in advance. Thank you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. I'm sorry that it's super long, but I promise the results look really good at the end. So stick around, watch the video, comment down below, and enjoy. Bye now.
Thank you.